Welcome to this beautifully designed farmhouse, a perfect blend of comfort and nature. As you enter, you are welcomed by a spacious sitting area designed to let you soak in the cool breeze while enjoying the breathtaking views of lush greenery. The farmhouse features a striking staircase illuminated by small lights, adding elegance and guiding you upstairs. You see a perfect blend of vintage charm and natural elements as you enter the bedroom. The feature wall is adorned with the stunning tropical wallpaper with matching rattan hanging lights. The bed, with its vintage bohemian design, pairs beautifully with the wooden wicker finished furnitures, and of course, the ceiling to floor curtains and warm lights naturally add warmth to the entire space. The fusion of monochrome and travertine tiles with emerald green walls in the bathroom blends in perfectly with the outdoor vibes. As the sun sets, the farmhouse glows in the warm golden light, creating a beautiful escape.